In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that home button from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Accessibility, and then hit Add Touch. You will be taken to this page where at the very top you can easily find Assistive Touch setting, and then all you have to do is just get into it and then turn it off. As you can see, that virtual home button has disappeared from the screen. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.